Hello, my dear students and friends. Good evening. In this video, we are going to learn about networking and types of networks. What is computer networking and types of networks? So, let's start. So, computer networking or computer network is a set of nodes or clients like computers and networking devices that are connected through communication media, communication channels, uh, guided or unguided media, you can say, for the purpose of communication and sharing resources. Resources may be hardware or software among various number of users. So it is simply interconnection of computers and devices that can share hardware and software resources that can share the information within the users on the network. So that is called as networks. नेटवर्क क्या है? एक बहुत सारे ऑटोनोमस कंप्यूटर्स का इंटरकनेक्ट क्यों किया जाए? जिससे कि वो एक दूसरे से इंफॉर्मेशन शेयर कर सकें, हार्डवेयर शेयर कर सकें, सॉफ्टवेयर शेयर कर सकें. दिस इज द बेसिक पर्पस ऑफ नेटवर्किंग. नाउ नेटवर्क्स आर यूज्ड टू, दैट इज एडवांटेज, facilitate communication through email or video conferencing, instant messaging or any other mode. Share hardware devices like a printer or scanner, etc. Enable file sharing, share software or operating programs, share information. So these all are the advantages of why we do networking of computers. Okay. Now there are various types of networks. Before going to types of computer networks, we should know what is the disadvantage of networking, computer networking. Lack of robustness, security issue and cost of network. Security issues are always there on if interconnected computers are there. All users are of not of same kind. सारे यूजर एक ही तरह नहीं है कि वो सिक्योरिटी का ध्यान रखें. कुछ यूजर्स ऐसे भी हैं कि वो सिक्योरिटी को डिस्टर्ब करते हैं. और if there are so many users on the networks, so it is really a challenge to maintain the data intact in its original form on the network. And networking cost also sometimes it is very huge cost. Sometimes it will depend upon number of computers being connected on the network, number of other devices, number of printers, length of cables, and everything depends upon how much will be the cost of network. So these are the disadvantages you can write. Types of computer networks: personal area network, communication between 2-3 mobile devices or PC for personal purpose. पर्सनल पर्पस के लिए 2-3 मोबाइल या पीसी आपस में कनेक्ट किए जाएं, कुछ फाइलें एक्सचेंज करने के लिए, सॉन्ग एक्सचेंज करने के लिए, वीडियो ऑडियो एक्सचेंज करने के लिए. कई बार बच्चे अपना जो है ब्लूटूथ के थ्रू कई मोबाइल से अपना सॉन्ग वगैरह ट्रांसफ़र करते हैं, फाइलें वगैरह ट्रांसफ़र करते हैं. दैट इज़ अ सॉर्ट ऑफ पेन. Local area network, limited area within a building, within a school, within some campus, that within a room, even sometimes within a hall, number of computers are connected, then it is local area network. Metropolitan area network, when the network is spread over the city, and say your cable TV network is also a type of metropolitan area network. So within the city the network is spread over. Wider area network within a multiple cities and state and countries, so over continents, even continent of the world. So it is a wide area network, as the name is suggesting that it may cover all over the globe even. Suppose one network is there in Australia, another network is in India. Both the networks are interconnected through internet. So that is going to form a wider area network. So over the continents, over the state, over multiple cities, over countries. So such type of network, the biggest network, large distance network is wider area network. Now let us study each network one by one. नंबर वन पर्सनल एरिया नेटवर्क PAN कहते हैं इसको शॉर्ट में. इट इज स्प्रेड इन द प्रॉक्सिमिटी ऑफ एन इंडिविजुअल. ये इंडिविजुअल के की निकटता यानी नज़दीकी को इंडिकेट करता है. दैट इज पर्सनल एरिया नेटवर्क कवर्स एन एरिया ऑफ फ्यू मीटर्स रेडियस. सेटअप यूजिंग गाइडेड मीडिया. गाइडेड मीडिया का मतलब केबल्स के थ्रू, कोएक्सियल केबल या फाइबर ऑप्टिकल केबल या आपका ये ईथरनेट केबल के थ्रू गाइडेड मीडिया. और अनगाइडेड मीडिया. अनगाइडेड मीडिया मीन्स द एयर मीडिया, ब्लूटूथ एंड इंफ्रारेड एटसेट्रा. ओन्ड कंट्रोल. सो इट इज personally only, so no any organization controls it. So self control you can say, and managed by a single person. Example of personal area networks are a network of devices such as computer, phone, MP3, MP4 player, camera etc. इनको connect करते हैं तो that is going to form a personal area network. Sometimes we connect our player with some speaker having Bluetooth, so that is also personal area network. Transferring the songs from one cell phone to another is a PAN of two phones. Transferring file from a PC to an MP player or MP3 player is a PAN between the two. So this is a diagrammatic representation how PAN is formed between various number of devices connected to each other. Now another type of network is local area network called as LAN. As I told you that this network or this interconnection of computers is spread over a building, within a room, within a campus. So that is called as a local area network. So all these networks are specially dependent upon or categorized upon the distances. How much distance is covered by a particular network. That is what specifying the various types of networks. See, PAN was confined with a very small area. Local area network LAN is confined with a little larger area, say room, say building, say I mean various rooms of the building, or you can say various floors of the building, or various blocks of a campus. तो उसको हम लोकल एरिया नेटवर्क कह सकते हैं. So LANs are mostly frequently used networks. This is most popular. It is one of the most common one of these simple type of network. It is designed for small physical area such as an office, group of buildings. Any of different types of topologies can be used to design. There are, अब इनको interconnect करने के लिए various types of topologies or patterns are available. Using those patterns, the interconnection of computers is done for a particular network in LAN. So LAN can be of star topology, it can have ring topology, bus topology, or tree topology. So these are the various types of patterns how computers will be interconnected on the network of LAN. Characteristics of LAN. Private networks means no need of regulatory control. There is no any other body controlling this thing. Local area network, it is controlled by that particular organization which is maintaining or which is establishing or which is installing such networks. Operate at relatively high speed. Speed is higher. Ethernet, token ring, etc. type media access controls are used. सो मैक एड्रेस वगैरह का इस्तेमाल इसमें होता है. ईथरनेट केबल लगती है आपके सिस्टम में जिसके थ्रू डाटा ट्रांसमिट होता है फ्रॉम वन कंप्यूटर टू अनदर, जिसके थ्रू दूसरा कंप्यूटर एक दूसरे से कनेक्ट होता है. सो दैट इज़ व्हाट connect computers in a single building or block or campus. As I told you, this is the characteristic of local area network. See the diagram how all these computers are interconnected through this hub or switch is there. So outer network is coming through firewall router, and these are the our devices through switch connected to each other. This is a type of local area network having star structure. इसका structure जो है star है, since from the same point every machine, every client is connected. Examples of LAN: a network office building, school or home. Sometimes one building can contain a few small LANs, like some schools have independent LANs in each computer lab. Those computer labs are maybe in different buildings of the school or maybe on different floors of the building. So that is also a type of local area network, LAN. Advantage of LAN: resource sharing. Resources can be shared. Obviously, whatever the advantages of network you have studied earlier in previous slide, the same advantage can be availed over here also. Resource sharing, software application sharing, easy and cheap communication, centralized data. You can keep the data in database server centrally, and that can be distributed to various LANs of the building, various LANs of the school. Data security can be implemented by specifying user ID and password to different users on different networks, on different client machines. Internet sharing: take one connection and can be shared among all the computers on the network. So these are the various advantages of local area network. Proceeding next is disadvantage of LAN. High setup cost. Cost may vary and may go high. Privacy violation. Sometimes users, if there is no strict define of user ID and password for each user who is using that particular LAN, who is the client of that particular LAN, then may be violated. Some privacy violation may be there, and data theft can happen. All that possibilities are always there. Data security threat is also there. For security purpose, we should define various user IDs and password of various computers installed on a network. LAN maintenance job: local area network maintenance with these cables and hub and switches, everything we have to test. Sometimes it goes faulty, so these devices are to be tested, and sometimes cables are to be tested whether it is working properly or not. So maintenance cost also moves up. So covers limited area. It is not spread over a large area, so long distances cannot be covered in this. So covers limited area within a room, within a building, within a campus even. So these are the various disadvantages of local area network. Now metropolitan area network, called as MAN. As I told you that metropolitan area is the network. Metropolitan area network is a network which is spread over the cities from few kilometers to hundreds of kilometers. Whatever is the area of the city, maybe 10 kilometer to 5 kilometer, whatever से लेकर के आपका सैकड़ों किलोमीटर की रेडियस तक आप मेट्रोपॉलिटन एरिया नेटवर्क मैन का इस्तेमाल कर सकते हैं. समटाइम्स यू माइट हैव सीन द केबल टीवी नेटवर्क is also an example of metropolitan area network. And nowadays people are distributing the internet connection, that is also all over the city, all over the part of the city, that may also be said as metropolitan area network. Set up using all types of all guided media and unguided media. तरह तरह के मीडिया इस्तेमाल किए जाते हैं. वायर्ड मीडिया और वायरलेस मीडिया दोनों इस्तेमाल किए जाता है फॉर द पर्पज ऑफ कनेक्टिंग द मशीन्स ऑल ओवर द मेट्रोपॉलिटन एरिया नेटवर्क. सो owned and operated by a government body और ए लार्ज कारपोरेशन. जैसे MTNL का नेटवर्क था, बहुत सारे MTNL के आपके टेलीफोन के कनेक्शन ऑल ओवर द सिटी इट वाज स्प्रेड, सो दैट वाज मेंटेन्ड बाय MTNL. तो इस तरह का कोई निगम या गवर्नमेंट बॉडी इसको ऑपरेट और कंट्रोल करता है. So there is a, I mean, controlling body for metropolitan area network all over the city. So next you can see the particular diagram representing that the network is spread all over the city from the base station being spread over the city in on different computers on the network. So this is also a type of metropolitan area network. Its area is little more, you can say much more in comparison of local area networks. So as I told you that these networks are basically classified and specified based on the geographical area. Okay, geographically how these computers are interconnected, at what distance they are kept, so that represents what type of network it is. Then we come to various examples of man. A network of schools. There are say 10 branches, 20 branches, 100 branches of the school all over the city, and they are interconnected. So that is a type of man, and controlled by school management committee. And or bank, when ATMs are interconnected through, I mean, that is, yeah, or there are various number of branches all over the city for a particular bank. Suppose Punjab National Bank or State Bank of India is having thousands and thousands of branches all over the Delhi city, and being controlled by that bank, I mean persons. So bank administration, you can say, or government offices are interconnected. Police department is interconnected all over the city. So all these are the example of man, metropolitan area network within the city. A man is usually formed by interconnecting a number of LANs and individual computers also. So all over the city, in any corner of the city, suppose there is a LAN and or any individual computer, so all those computers are interconnected, and at any time, at any point of time, they can share information, they can share the hardware and software resources. So such type of network is metropolitan area network. Now moving to the last type of network, that is a wider area network. It is confined to very large area over the globe, means number of countries can be interconnected through this system of network. So that is what over the cities, all over the countries, and various number of countries over all over the globe, all over the continent are interconnected through various set of LANs and local area network and individual computers. So that is also, an example of WAN. So WAN is covering almost all over the globe, all over the world. So slightly more complex than LAN and MAN. A WAN connects computers across longer physical distances. The internet is a most basic example of WAN. Okay, so internet is spread all over the world to various set of LANs and various number of independent computers connecting all together any information from any host to server. Host machine to client machine can be transferred and shared, exchanged within a while, within a second, fraction of second. So that is also, going to form WAN. So connecting all computers together around the world through internet. Because of WAN's vast reach, it is typically owned by and maintained by any single person or owner. So uh, characteristic of WAN covers large distances, say states, countries, continents, communication medium like satellite, public telephone network, etc. and routers are used to establish the connections. Uh, in the meanwhile, if the strength of the signal goes down, so in between number of repeaters and routers works. There are various other types of devices also works just to maintain the strength of the signal being transmitted from source computer to destination computer. So all these are the characteristics of WAN. Examples: a network of ATMs, banks, national government offices, international organizations, international offices, etc. spread over the country, continent, or covering many continents. So that is an example of, say, it is पेरिस का कोई लैन है यहाँ पर है, और ये लंदन का कोई लैन मशीन है, लोकल एरिया नेटवर्क है, एंड दिस इज द लोकल एरिया नेटवर्क ऑफ न्यूयॉर्क. ऑल दीज आर कनेक्टेड थ्रू वैन, वाइडर एरिया नेटवर्क के थ्रू इन तीनों को कनेक्ट किया गया है टू exchange the information of that organization whose offices are established in, London, Paris and New York. Now, here are various advantages and disadvantages of wider area network. Advantages: long distance business can connect in on one network, share software and other resources. Messages can be sent very quickly to wide range of node. This is if the things are very fast, the information can be exchanged within no time, so it automatically increases the productivity, because whatever information has to be transmitted and to deliver to the destination computer within 10 days is being transmitted immediately in fraction of seconds to the other side. So whatever decision has to be made based on that particular message or informations, that can be made quickly and the action can be taken at once, and the production may start, thereby it increases the economy of the world. So that is why it has become possible that the economy of the world is raising day by day, or you can say second by second, due to fast transmit of the information, fast sharing of information. The whole world has become one place, one country, one home, that because of these various types of networks. Internet is the boon for this development of the economy of the world. Hardware devices can be shared. Then disadvantage of when need a good firewall to restrict unauthorized access. You have to have some hardware and software type of firewall, so that unauthorized information cannot be entered into your LAN or into your system. So firewall will restrict this thing so that our data remains in its original form. Setting up a network can be an expensive, slow and complicated. So this network is little slow, and complexity is obviously all over the country. If there are so many computers, lakhs and lakhs, millions of millions computers are interconnected, so this is a very complex technology, and to maintain such technology is going to really raise the cost of maintenance. So maintaining a network is a full-time job. Security is a major issue when many different people have the ability to use the informations. So there are many hackers and crackers sitting and trying to do sometimes unwanted type of task that the owner of the network does not want. तो इस तरह की एक्टिविटीज़ चलती रहती हैं, तरह तरह के वायरस वॉर्म्स आने के चांसेस रहते हैं. फॉर दैट वी हैव टू टेक वेरियस precautionary measures by putting some hardware and software installed on the network. So these are the things that we should take care of. Some advantages are there too. In the other side, there are some disadvantages of the same thing. So these are the advantages and disadvantages of wider area network. So today we have studied what is network, what are the advantages of networking of computers, and various types of networks, that is PAN, LAN, MAN and WAN, and their advantage and disadvantage, and their various types of things involved within these type of networks. So if you have liked this video, please like, share and subscribe with your friends, so that they can also be benefited. Till then, keep on watching. Thank you very much. Thank you.